making this video to show you that how we can install Orange software. So first of all, you need to go to the Google and type Orange software. Then this page will come, Orange Data Mining, and click on this. Yeah. So when you go to this Orange page, click on the download Orange. And the software will ask you, do you have Windows or Mac or Linux? So I will click on download Orange 3.35, and it is the latest version for Windows. And the moment you click on this button, the installation will start. And because I already download this, so I am directly going to the downloads. So you can find out the downloads, and in download you will have this one, Orange. So you have this Orange Miniconda. So double click on it, and it is a exe file. So this file helps you in installation of this Orange software Orange. So click on yes, and the procedure is started. Go to next, agree, and next, 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 and then you can go to install. After around 10 to 15 minutes, you will arrive at this page, and then go to next and finish. So once you finish, you can see this page, this icon on the page, and let's try to open it. So it is opening. And go to the options, click on add-ons. So these are the additional packages you can install. So we have to click on image analytics, text, and by default Orange 3 is there, and click OK. So now we are going to install text and image analytics. So after some time, you have this page, and so you just click on OK. And close it. Then reopen Orange. Text will also come. Yeah, text mining is also there. And now you have the image analytics as well as text mining options. So you can start working with import documents, corpus, each and everything.